Hello, my beautiful people from Untouchable Mama. Thank you for watching our YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe and press the notification button. Thank you. One love. Bye bye.
Well, good evening, my people. Now, well done. I got some message when I won't give KENNETH OKONKWO wide mouth. This KENNETH OKONKWO where mouth wide like pig, so where they talk anyhow. The school where you go, be like say you not go that school where you are not well trained. Because I know say you be lawyer. Your movie I be like since when your mouth can't be wide where you they talk anyhow. Now I just can't hate you. Somebody when you because of politics, because of chingon, money where they won't give you, they sell your people, your entire people, your family, they sell them to them. See the way you they talk. Anybody when your mouth too wide now, so it be not get control. You need to go do surgery for that your mouth. Make you whether you go use needle test one or you go super glue some part for inside. Make you super glue that place, some parts. So that you not go to talk anyhow. The word not go to come out for your mouth without control. That time when you talk and say cow, say you not see any reason why cow not go live with human being. Now that time now I hate you. Now I hate you. Because I never see. If you really say you really get brain, your head correct, you go know say animal not they live with human being. Europe developed country, other country where we say that they train cow, even we are this or they train, you don't go see cow, you don't go see any animal for outside. They get their own place where they keep them. Cattle ranch there. Those people see they do goat own, they still get their own poultry there. They not they live and say make it they work outside. Then you can't side them. Say because they hate Hausa, that is why they say Hausa no good. That is why they criticize them. That your mouth when you white them, may you go stitch them. I give you now to December, may you go stitch that your mouth because I don't want to see that your white mouth again for 2022. You understand? That is my message for you, KENNETH OKONKWO. If you not stitch that your mouth, be like say, I me go super glue for you. I will come out for you every time. I'll come super glue that your mouth for you. Okay, that one end for there because I won't just cut the matter sharp. Maybe if you get any other thing when I forget to talk on Sunday when I go get chance after I don't do it here, they do finish, I'll come sit down. May I talk to this wide mouth like pig. KENNETH OKONKWO, your mouth wide like pig. You not get control. Go and do surgery for that your mouth. Make you stitch or you super glue that your mouth. You understand? Because you don't know what they talk. You know the reason. Okay, the Biafra people. This word when I want to advise now, so when I feel like when I feel not like when I feel talk say, hey, what is this woman they talk? Now me your mom, now they talk. They talk with sense, and the reason before they talk. I know they carry come out make I come they speaking true. I talk with sense, and I'm with waiting I don't experience or waiting I don't hear. Now they tell the advice person. So Biafra people. Make a advice una. The advice when I won't give una be say, make una stop this una want Biafra, una want Biafra. Make una stop palm. If una know what good for them, make una stop palm. Why I thought say make una stop palm? Now be this. I have reason of saying it. If una not stop palm, if they just divide the country today, now Igbo people now go suffer and now go regret them. Now go regret to why I talk like that. How many Alaja, how many Usama go build estate, build mansion, put for East, build for Enugu, build for Anambra, build for Uma here. How many Hausa people make una name? Igbo people now go develop North. So Obi Kubana go see what he do for Abuja. All Igbo people now not as far as Damaturu, where be village. Damaturu. Where be village 90 who's yourself? I don't forget. As far as the Maturu, Una go there, una if you see wetin Igbo people get for that place. For getting the Damaturu na Kaduna side na yeah. If you see wetin Igbo people do for that place, you think say they not get house. So all those things when I don't do for North, do for Lagos, una go come live am. Now Congo. All the money, all our life savings when I don't invest for another person, I do for Arewa, when I go come live am so na they go. Una won't come go una Biafra. When una not do anything, put how many things una do for there? How many things una do for una place? Make una go calculate wetin una don invest for North, for Arewa country. Make una go look am. If they share Nigeria today, na Igbo people go regret, una go cry because of say all una life savings una don invest am for Arewa. Wetin una get for una place? Na few things una go do for una place, but na another person na Arewa na una go develop. So if Hausa no go regret at all, they even want make una comot. Because if they just share Nigeria today, wetin happen 1967 to 1968 for Port Harcourt go happen to una data again. If una no know wetin happen that time, make I tell una. You know say Port Harcourt now na Igbo people na plenty parts of Port Harcourt. Before na Igbo people na get everything, but that place not be Igbo land. Na Ikwere people na get them. They sell them for Igbo. Now the second set of Igbo people na come there for there. Now the first set where we say they buy all those land. Ikwere people join go one, fight Igbo people, pursue them, come on for that place, collect their land back. Because all those Ikwere people, they be Oloju Kokoro. What in Yoruba they call Oloju Kokoro. Now I make them sell that land that time, collect them for their hand. After they don't join go one, fight Igbo people, they still come back again, resell the land again for Igbo people again. They collect their land and resell it. That is what is going to happen to you people. If they share Nigeria today, Hausa people go collect all those mansions, estates, all those investments we wanna get for everywhere, they go collect them. Una no go see shishi. Chigbain no go come out for inside there where una will carry go as. Una know. Hausa people were ready to collect everything. So if una get sense now, maybe una just keep quiet, keep una mouth shut. Ishuru, according to Hausa people, una just keep quiet. Kaya, una kaya una mouth. Make una not talk again. From 93 years, make una not talk again. Make una dey take time. Make una start to sell una property where they for not. They sell and collect the money, go invest for una place, so that anytime when they come share Nigeria, una go get something. For where we say no go make una cry. Make una take and go to develop una place. Now my advice be that for now. I just can't tell una. If una like, make una take o. If una like, make una take. If una like, make una not take. And make una throw away. But now the true word now I tell una. Any of una when you know say invest for Arewa, make it go back. Una just go put for safe for una property. Now system una take sell. Una sell una property finish. Una go back to una Biafra. And that time I can't say una want Biafra. That time una no can't lose too much. If una banjo make una go sell am. If una go sell some for inside for me, una sell for me. Me una even dash myself. I go collect them. Even if I go join Hausa people collect una property that time. And somebody like me now, if I get house for Arewa, no, I not get shaking. If I get house for Lagos, I not get shaking. You understand? So my pikin not go tell me say in land. My grand pikin go come tell me say make I not stay for in place. No, he not go tell me. So I not lose. Even if I not fit collect my land or my house, my grand pikin dey there go collect them. My pikin dey there, they go inherit them. So if na not quick go sell una property, maybe I go come. If Hausa people they sell and banjo, I go follow them buy. If Yoruba people see they sell and wash awara o, they ring bell put. I will go buy. So I just the advice una now make una go sell una property. If una know so una really want una land, una see una brother now KENNETH OKONKWO now. Don't live una o. You don't take where you live una. You know the many Igbo people like that. Not they on our side. Now just the shout. Una di Kanu is another savior. Waiting Ojukwu no fit do. Now una di Kanu won't come do. Ojukwu do it wrong. He wrong go exile. He wrong go Abuja. Don't know how many years he spent for exile before he come back to Nigeria. Now una di Kanu saying go come fit. Who bring Biafra no fit? The founder of Biafra no fit do anything. Now una di Kanu won't come fit. I beg him, una go relax. Now the best advice now give una. So una start to the sell una thing, una go they build una house. Go all the houses, this una get, una carry and go. Una don't see Hausa man go come sell everything, go come sell cow, sell rice, sell beans, sell tomatoes, sell pepper, sell onions. The money they carry and they go back. They be like China people. China, no matter how they come, they go even get company for your country self. They not go buy common pepper salt for that place. Say they won't use everything that they import and they come. Go reach credit where they fee. So China person can never fee credit. Their phone, they carry their phone, they come from home and they get the way they take they activate them, they feed their phone for their country. They know they spend their money for that place. Now so how sabi. Any Hausa man wey come sell pepper for there, no they spend the money. That money they carry and they go back to in country. They carry and they go back. Now just says granite money now go spend. You just say you got money now go spend for there. The real money they carry and they go back. Una no know. Una go they invest for their country. No. So now want una land. Una want Biafra, want live una property for them. Now my question for that, before now, all those people when married so we go come start to the talk. So the property one I don't get for Ariwa, I won't leave them for them, I won't dash them. Una be like people when he train frog. He train frog, come train her for snake, make snake come chop am. Now so una do so. So if now say una won't leave her, and also make una not leave her more. The time when outside people go they sell like banjo, I go follow them back. I go there at a lot. You understand? So now waiting me I can't tell una be that too. I just can't advise now. If you not like me, una take her. If you not like me, una not take her. So if now before you land pass, because this time around now I never know for where una land pass. We don't follow now they drag anything. I never know where on a land pass. Before that time, I go know where on a land pass. So now my advice I can't give you now. I make you want that KENNETH OKONKWO where you mount wide. Where you get extra mount so. Make you want now. If now na pick me una want because they dey against you now. You know they. I just because we not talk to her, you go just continue to sell una they give Hausa people. Many people say, woman, how old am I? You say, now your country, now you want make rain for put. KENNETH OKONKWO don't want make rain for put for Biafra. You want make the rain continue to the fall. No, they will not see the comments. The comment when they make, now not they see them, now not they hear them, now not they hear them. I don't blame KENNETH because he mouth wide, that oversized. That oversize when it gets 9%. See, esta here. See, abajo. Mi gafas esta. See. Gracias. So now so it be. In month now extra large, extra 5 extra large. Now it be. Now make enough in the control round, they talk. Look when I tell us, go super glue that in mouth when white. When I tell us if you not feel super glue, I may use needle test one to the normal size. Because they to the sell now they give people. They sell now they give whether I don't even sell some parts, give Hausa people self the way they talk self, I don't know. So now extra large now it must be. me I put this gaffer for here before you go to work. So now, and that message I just can't give. I know say I not get time for daytime. So now this time I just see the video that they do concerning that man. I don't like that man, the way they talk. I don't like the way they talk to now. I know say no concern me, I not be Biafra. And I'm never Biafra, we never be Biafra. Never. I mean, if I thought they want to share the country, now I do better. Now that will not be my country. And I stand by that. That's when a man, you know, sabi talk. The school where you go, be like saying waste. The time when they train that KENNETH por favor, yo quiero salir. The time when they train that KENNETH OKONKWO is a wasting of time. They're not training well. They're not just training well at all. But I just so they don't train the KENNETH OKONKWO well at all. It's lack of training. Not any education. Not get proper education at all. All those guys, I'm not sure say even enter class when they go school. Suppose he enter class. That law when he read it for no say he's supposed to defend the country. KENNETH OKONKWO, that's your mind. The problem be like saying that your mouth night day. And that's your mouth. It's too wide. Extra large. It's too wide. That's your mouth. So now your problem and so it be. You say too much of everything is bad. As your mouth done too much, as it's too wide, now it come bad for you. You're not gonna know how to use and take it. You don't gonna get control. They say your people, they give Hausa people. Yeah. I beg you, go sit down. Get up your mother. We ain't one more hurry. See the way you talk, the thing just vex me. I never see person where they kick against the people like that as KENNETH OKONKWO be. I never see. All the children money where they give and I just can't they make them. I beg. Go. See the way they talk. The thing they pay me, now make me just come out. So me I just talk. Just they pay me. Because if I see my people, say that kind of person, see they come, they talk out for my people like that. And so I will sit there against that person. I hate somebody where they disgracing people. They selling people outside for others. I hate them for my life. I hate them. What thing they do so now? You won't come talk now. Say the fight where Ojukwu fight Emeka Ojukwu. Oh no, Ojukwu fight. Now useless fight. Now he fight. When make and run come on for the country, come dey exile for many years before that man can't come back. The fight when that man starts, 1966, 67, 68, where he can't head around that kind late 69. You won't come to say now useless fight. Now that man fight. KENNETH OKONKWO, be careful. Be careful. Just thank God say I can never be Igbo. Just thank God. If na him, we go see. For don't use mouth, take scatter you. That's your wide mouth. Will be like pig so. You get person. Biafra, where you know how many people when lose their life, when their property lost, where die because of this Biafra, 1967, 68. You know the soul when we say perish, just because of one thing where they see they dragged it today. Now you can rise up now, cause say all those things where they do say now rubbish. When Hausa people they treat the rest people like second-class citizens for Nigeria. The school when you go, I don't know how you take go your school. I don't know the way you take go your school. It's better you not just go school at all than this one. You pay me for you. Oh. Now that your mom, make the first teach. Make the first do surgery for that your mouth first. Maybe if they do surgery for that your mouth, you go get sense, you go reason well. I believe saying that your mouth, because excess of everything is bad. I be make una just post this video, make una carry and go give am. Make it listen. So may you go know how you go take go do surgery for that your mouth. When it wide like pig. Una go give am this video. Now wetin I just want. So maybe if I forget some matter, I go come out on Sunday, may I come tell KENNETH OKONKWO. If I don't forget, I will just rest. Because I dey busy. Okay now, my people. Una buy garri oh. Una buy garri, una bye. Una go want that KENNETH OKONKWO before 2022 or 23 where they won't start election. If not that amount, they go tear and pass like that too. They go just tear and pass like go come white pass like that. Me and one nyari do akmami. Me and nyagba mo any do egwe. Listen where agbame nyan. I never see person when hating people. See the way they thought the thing just invest me. Okay. Okay. And they go.